as a husband and wife, you are attending different churches. On Sunday, you are going in different ways. Sometimes I think it's wrong because the time is different. Maybe your church is start maybe on 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock. On Zion, they start on 2 o'clock until on 4. I don't understand. Or 1 o'clock until 4, 5. We don't understand. But when you're attending different churches on different time, I think that is not okay, and you are going on different way every Sunday. So sometimes, guys, people, they say when a woman is being married to a husband, you are going to change your church when you are worshiping. So it's better, guys, to being married to the same man, you are in same church. It's better to find a woman who is in same church with you than to find outside. When you are a Christian, you are a Zion. Marry a Zion because you are going to do the same thing. Because now, guys, you are married a Zion. You are a Zion. You are being raised in ZCC, and your wife maybe is being on AFM or Methodist. Church rules are different. So some people, we don't understand those things. You understand? So it's better to marry a woman who is in Zion is better than to marry a woman who is AFM, because on AFM there is some of the things they are doing in their churches. So it's better to marry the same woman who is attending Zion as the same church you are attending, because there is some of the rules, especially on those new churches like AFM. They say a man can marry one woman, but when it comes in Zion, they allow a man to marry many women. You understand? So things are guys, are different in churches. Rules are different. So we don't understand each other when you are coming from this. We are worshiping different churches. We don't understand each other. So sometimes, guys, a wife can't change. Other wives, they don't want to change their churches because she married to you. Other wives, they don't allow it. But when you saw your wife say, I can change my church, yes, that person can understand you. Maybe she was on AFM and now she is going to the same church as you are going on Zion. That person, you are lucky, because other people, they don't want to change their churches. It's very difficult most of the time. Or your husband can change his church, especially a man. Guys, men can't do it that he is in Zion and go to AFM. Men, they don't do it, especially on men, because they have got pride, because he thinks that maybe that wife is going to control him to change his church now.